Now I'm gonna start UV mapping our building. Okay, so let's go back to our reference image. So the first texture is the bricks. We have the bricks and we have this custom shop texture, and we have another one over here, some kind of a blue garage, this door over here, and some textures for the air conditioners, and in the top we have some windows. So let's start with the bricks. I'm gonna start with the bricks. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is make sure you are on the cycle render mode. So go to this icon and I'm gonna add a new texture to this new material to this building. I'm gonna call it bricks. And I'm gonna scroll down and change this color to image texture. There we are. Open, and let's go to our texture, which is this one. By the way, I'm gonna put a link down below to where you could find these textures. So go to the edit mode and I'm gonna select these faces. Let's choose alt select, and I'm gonna deselect these faces on the side, this one, this one. Okay, there we are. Now I need to split the scene and change this to UV image editor. Now I'm gonna assign this material and switch to this icon material so that we can be able to see our texture. Next I'm gonna unwrap you and unwrap. There we are. Let me activate the screencast keys. So there we are. Now I'm gonna scale this texture by 6. So S6. And there we are. Okay. Now let's work on these windows. Alt select, deselect these sides, and let's bring our image texture, which is the window. So I'm gonna add a new, this plus sign over here, add new, and I'm gonna call it windows. Scroll down, change this color to image texture. Open, go to our textures, and I'm gonna use this one, second windows. You can build your own collection of textures, and I'm gonna show you a website in the description, which is the great website for finding those textures. Texture.com. Yeah. So now I'm gonna go to the front and let me maximize this window. Unwrap. Now I chose the wrong material, so let's go back and assign this material. Assign. Okay. Gonna go to the front view and I'm gonna use this project from view bounds. There we go. And I'm gonna scale it by 3. Scale on the X, scale X, 3. There we go. Now for the custom shop, I'm gonna add another material. I'm gonna call it workshop or custom shop. Custom shop, and I'm gonna change the color to image structure, and let's open this garage. Assign. Let's go to the front view and project from view, and there we are. Nice. Let's go to this and do the same thing. Front, shop 2, and I'm gonna change this we're going to be going to open my texture. So where is it? Yes, Garage 4. And projects from view. No, I need to assign it first. And there we are. Okay, nice. We're getting there. What else? Let's add this door window. Door texture, not window. So door, and let's bring our texture. Image, open. Where is my door? This one. Unwrap from view. Sign. Maybe I need to scale it a little bit up. Not that way. GUI, yeah, like this. There we are. What's now? Let's work on these air conditioners. I'm gonna just check one and delete this one and duplicate it to this place. So add a new, I'm gonna call it air conditioners AC1. Change the color to, we need to add 2 textures. First, let's delete this one. This I'm gonna change. I need to add another one. Yeah, let's add another one because we want to leave that main color of this object. So this one I'm gonna call it AC1, and let's change it to image, open. Let's bring this one, and I'm gonna select this face and assign this. Go to the front, project from view, and there we are. For the side, same thing. AC2, open, texture, the second one, and let's assign it. Let's go to the side and project from view. There we go. I need to do it on the other side. So go to this, project from view, bounce, assign, and there we are. Now for the bottom, I would like to add just a normal color, the black color. So let's add new. I'm gonna call it black. Let's change it to, I'm gonna change just the color to a darker color, and let's assign it to these objects. There we are. Duplicate. Maybe this one needs to, I need to scale it on the X a little bit, something like this. Okay, duplicate, move it here, and let's delete this one, bring this one up, and there we are. Now for this little piece down, new, I'm gonna call it bottom part, and let's change, I'm gonna bring a wall color, a wall texture, open, I'm gonna use this one. Now I'm gonna smart UV project, and I'm gonna scale it by, let me see, I'm gonna scale it by 10 on the x-axis. And there we go. You can keep playing with these values as much as you like. For this one, let's switch it to black. Okay, now for this roof over here, I'm gonna add a wood texture. Wood. and let's add image, open, textures, wood, and let's smart UV map, smart UV project this. Okay, let's scale it by 2. Scale it on the X. There we are. Nice. And for these parts I would like to have black color. This one needs to be black. Those are other materials I created before. There we are. And for this part I'm gonna do the same thing. Assign the wood material, and let's smart UV project this like this and scale it. Select everything, scale on the X by 2. By 2, not by 5, which scale X 2. Yeah, there we go. This screencast shows 5. I don't know why. And I think we're done. Yeah. Let's add to this little piece. I think I'm gonna make it looks brown. So let's add a brown color. Brown. Change its color to this. Making it darker. Okay. Not red. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that. Let's select everything and join them. And there we are. Okay friends, here we are. I think, yeah, let's add the black material to these pipes. Black. This one, let's make it black. For these pipes, just leave them as they are. For these light bulbs, we've already textured them. Yeah, we've already assigned these light materials, the emission. Let me check. Yes, surface emission. Okay, now let's work on these windows. I want to be able to extrude them back. So I have an idea. So go to the edit mode and I'm gonna keep inserting edge loops until they align with this line. And after that we will delete the other the other edges. I'm sure there is another way, but let's do this. I'm sure there is a better way than this, but at this moment I don't have any idea. So I'm gonna dissolve these edges and keep this one. Dissolve edges. Insert another one here. Something like this. And I'm gonna keep this one in the side and let's dissolve these edges. X, dissolve edges. Let's go to the second window. Insert. Yeah, something like this. And let's dissolve these. I'm using Alt to select everything. Dissolve edges. Let's do the same thing here. Okay. Let's use this. Okay. And I'm gonna take these edges and dissolve them. Okay. Yeah, the reason why I'm doing this is because let me show you what's gonna happen if we don't do it. We will will screw up everything. Take a look. Yeah, I don't want to do this, but I'm sure there is another way, a better way to do this, but for the moment let's stick to this. Dissolve edges and keep this one. And for this edge over here, let's insert one in the middle and insert like this. I'm gonna dissolve these edges. Let's move to the next window. There we go. Dissolve. Go here and let's do the same thing. No, not that one. This one. What is going on? Dissolve these edges. Yes, just dissolve them. Insert another one here and let's. There we go. Remove these. You can skip this step if you don't want to add those windows. No, that's too much. I'm gonna use one in the middle and let's do this. Dissolve and let's do this for the final time. I'm gonna stick to this one. Dissolve. Now let's add vertex edges on the horizontal side. This. There we are. I'm gonna dissolve these two edges. Okay, now I'm gonna select these faces and extrude them back. Take these and let's extrude them inside like this, and that's what I want, because when we have that shadow of the sun, that shadow will make the door, the windows looks much more better. Okay friends, here we are. Let's select everything and go back to our environment. So hit M and let's move. You know what, let's shift, bring all layers, and there we are. Let's take a walk, Shift F, tab. Okay, nice. We did it. So now all we have left is this building, which we will be working on it the next time. And we will also work on this ground. We will add a texture to it. So thanks a lot guys for watching, and gonna see you in the next tutorial. Take care.